Different. It's much better than it was. Hello, darling.
Keeps it moving though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's nimble. It's really sweet.
Well, she's starting to pick up the idea now. Ruby's going in for the fucking kill. She's got her, she's up in it.
Are you playing, you two guys?
Yeah.
Oh. Is she keeping you on your toes, Nala? Is Scoopy keeping you on your toes, baby? Oh, do you love him? Do you love him? You show off. Oh, wow. Cool. Aren't you sweet? Very nice. It's very nice. So, what have we got? Some gravel, some stones, some cacti, and some... You two are so cute. Oscar. Yes, you are. You two are so cute.
You're going to get bit in a minute.
That will do then. Yeah. The raggy tails, both of them. Because you can use whatever you want. Stuff from the doll's house, Lego, anything you fancy. Look, there's the Eiffel Tower. Is that the Arc de Triomphe? Look, you've got a fluffy ear. What have you done with your ear, Nala? Where's your ear?
Yeah, put it up.
Taxi. Oh, dear. What can you hear out there? Right. No damage done. So, without further ado, here's how to make down to area. First of all, pebbles for draining. Very pretty, you're both very pretty. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're tickling me, Woggy. Yes, you are. You're pretty. I love you. No